Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Talk Cars. Today I have something special for you. It's the FiTCAMX Dash Cam. It's an OEM-style dash cam that fits right into your vehicle, giving you that factory look without any hassle. In this video, I'll be unboxing it, installing it in my car, and giving you my thoughts on its performance. Let's dive right in and see what comes in the box. So first off, we have two boxes inside of the box. We have an accessory box and a dash cam box. Start with the dash cam box. All right. First off, we have the dash cam itself. Look at this. It's designed to match your vehicle's interior perfectly. It's sleek. It doesn't scream aftermarket at all. It's also included in the box as an accessory box. It comes with some tools to use to remove the trim panels. There's one metal with some felt around it. Another one is a plastic tool. Then in addition to that, we have a card reader. It has a USB standard and a USB-C connector. And of course you have your owner's manual. To be fully honest and transparent with you, I'm a little nervous to take apart the interior trim of my Porsche Panamera. Just like any high-end car, they got clips and things, and they're very expensive parts, so if they were to break, you might be up creek. However, one of the best features of the FiTCAMX is how easy it is to install. It's literally a one-to-one replacement of your existing rear view mirror cover, so you're not going to need any professional help to do this. I'm going to install it in my car and show you how it works. First, you pop off the existing covers. And then after you get the covers off, you're going to have to take the mirror down. In my case, I twisted it a little bit to remove it. And then that is going to allow for you to take off the existing cover on the rear view mirror. Once you have that off, there's going to be one wire that you need to unplug. I used the tool provided to unplug it. With that unplugged, you can go ahead and return your rear view mirror back to its original place. Plug in the cable you just unplugged into the new harness on the camera. And then you plug in the camera harness back into the factory spot that's right above the rear view mirror. Then the FiTCAMX just clicks into place like it's meant to be there. All hooked up. That took less than 30 minutes to complete. Might have been faster, but I was just trying to make sure that everything was routed properly. Now let's sync it up to my phone using the FiTCAMX app, and let's take a look at the camera in action. All right, I've been using the FiTCAMX for a few days now, and I have to say I'm impressed. The 4K footage is crystal clear even at night. Plus, the camera's collision detection and loop recording make it perfect for protecting your vehicle in case of an accident or incident. I love how it blends seamlessly with the interior. It doesn't even look like it's an aftermarket part at all. It's also really nice not having to deal with all those visible wires, which keeps everything looking clean and factory looking. The Wi-Fi connectivity makes it really easy to access your footage from the app. You can download videos directly to your phone and adjust camera settings without needing to remove the camera or the SD card. Overall, the FiTCAMX is an excellent addition if you want a discreet, high-quality dash cam with easy installation. The 4K quality and the fact that it integrates so well with the car really sets it apart from other dash cams that's on the market. If you're interested in picking up the FiTCAMX for your own vehicle, make sure to use the affiliate link down in the description below. You'll get an extra 8% off if you use my discount code. Also, don't forget, I earn a small commission, which goes back to supporting the channel. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more automotive content, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the FiTCAMX. I'll see you in the next video.